Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to go in this video. First, I'm going to do the technicals on Bitcoin. Then I'm going to look at Tesla because I told you I've been buying Tesla. I wanted to buy more yesterday. It's up 5% today, which is beautiful. And it's showing a very bullish pattern on Tesla. Then we're going to go into CoinMarketCap and we're going to ask the question, what is going to make us millions of dollars? And then we're going to discover how we're going to make, what can make us the most amount of money. And for even with people with only like a few $100s, few $1,000s, what can make you a millionaire? I'm going to talk about that in that video. In this video, hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. If you've been following me for 3.5 years on these videos, I've been investing for, since I was 14, I started doing technical analysis. I'm quite a big investor. I'm the founder of two big companies, MCRT, $MCRT, which is the first real play-to-earn game in the world, cross-compatible PC, Android, iOS. I'm also the founder of ChatGod.ai. Check it out. It's an AI assistant that's on your WhatsApp and your Telegram as well. And you're looking at the Burj Khalifa from my balcony view, which is amazing. So let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals. We'll come back to Tesla, but what I'm seeing here straight away on Tesla, everyone's seeing this, big inverse head and shoulders, a massive one. I think Tesla's going to have a huge pump. I just bought another $40,000 worth of Tesla just now. I bought another 40,000. We'll jump back into that. First, we're going to Bitcoin. The market is pumping. Stocks are pumping. Coinbase is up. MCRT sold off a little bit today, but it did do the final unlock. So the final private sale in unlocks happened. Tesla's up 6%. I bought just before, so it's up a bit, but I've had quite a bit of Tesla. Coinbase up 6%, ADA up 5%, Ethereum up 4.7%, hitting our targets, which is beautiful. I'll check out Ethereum as well. Uniswap up 6.4%, 4.4%, 444%. If you bought, I talked about this, FXS up, I talked about that as well. Big congratulations to all of you. Google is up 2%. Stocks are pumping, which is amazing. Bitcoin is back above 28,000. As I talked about in the video earlier today, big inverse head and shoulders you're seeing here. Inverse head and shoulders, everyone's seeing that. When it breaks the neckline, target is 34,000, which is amazing. It's still in this rising wedge, which is bearish, but the volume is just the highest it's ever been, ever before on Bitcoin. We have all-time high volume. Let's go closer on the 4-hourly. RSI is turning to head up. We're still going. The trade we took earlier today, if you followed that video, is already in the profits, which is beautiful. Let's go into the hourly. Already slightly in the profits. Actually, no, it liquidated that trade. It hit the stop loss at 27,700. So that trade earlier today got stop lossed. I'm also seeing a bull flag here, and there's another pattern inside this pattern. Let's see here. We've got a symmetrical triangle playing out, which will target I think it will target the, yeah, it looks like it could break out, but this is a rising channel, so we need to break out of this rising channel. Where I would go long is from the daily support in case there's a pullback to this daily support. Stop loss underneath in case it breaks down out of this rising wedge and goes for a drop, and take profit at that target. 7.83 risk to reward ratio, risking $283 to make $2,215 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $22,000 of profits, which is beautiful. That's the trade, and I'm on. Make sure, so how you read this trade, I'll show you on the Ethereum trade. Let's go into Ethereum. I'll open an Ethereum trade, up 4% today. Wow. And if you took that trade from yesterday's video, Ethereum is pumping. You're already massive in the profits. If you're in the profits out of that breakout of that that descending triangle, as I predicted, move your stop loss now into profits. I'll keep this trade open, keep this trade where it is just to show it because it was a beautiful call. Now we'll make a new one. It's breaking out here. It broke out of this descending triangle. It's got a strong resistance here at 18,200. It's hitting that target exactly. Look at that, finding resistance at my target. This is a strong resistance that we're at right now. So there would be a pullback. And then once it's through, 2,291 will be the next target. So where I go long on Ethereum, it's a W formation though. See that? On the smaller time frames, it's a W. On the 4-hour, it's curling up with big buying volume coming in. Look at this. In the last 1 hour, 4 hours, 250,000 Ethereum was just bought. So good buying volume. Where I would go long, this trade is already in the profits. Where I'd open another trade on Ethereum is on a pullback to the weekly. Here, stop loss under the daily. Actually, there can be a bigger pullback here because it is a... So I'd open it from here. Okay, I'll get rid of that previous trade that's in the profits. Congratulations, anyone that took that trade. So I'd open it from here, stop loss underneath, and take profit at the next target for Ethereum, which is 2,291. So I'm going to open this trade in Bybit now. I'm going to set this trade. But it looks like it's going to pump, actually. There might not be a pullback, but usually we'll get a reset so we can, when there's a big buy, it usually can pull back, activate the trade. So I'm going to set this trade up now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, in the description of this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link, partner.bybit, this link here. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses, $30,000 when you sign up using this link. So everyone go down below right now, click on this link. So on your phone, on your screen down below, you go down below to Bybit. If you want to trade Ethereum, you have to do your own due diligence. This is the exchange I use. Down there, click on Bybit link, sign up. So in the description, go down, sign up to Bybit using that link, $30,000 of bonuses for a limited time only. And then that will open this account. So this is Bybit. In here, I have a $16,700 Bitcoin profit in the trade, $16,700. It's around a $66,000 Bitcoin trade. 16,700 in the profits, 200. I used 7,400 to make $16,700, 223%. In this account, I have 257,000 US dollars. I've got 3.8 Bitcoin spot separate to my Bitcoin trade, 107,000. I've got 43,000 MCRT, I've got 31,000 USDT, $21,000 worth of FXS pumping, 4,800 of Uniswap, which is also pumping. Now I'm going to open a trade on Ethereum. So now I'm going to set a trade on Ethereum, Ethereum USDT. Ethereum USDT, I'm going to set the trade 20x leverage. It's quite a big, actually let's do 20x leverage because then my trade will make a lot more profits with a good stop, but I want to do it on a pullback. So we need to set the strong support where I can open this trade safely. And that is here at 1,659. That's where I'll open the trade. So 1,659, slightly lower than this. 1,659 here. Stop loss underneath the monthly. Let's go under the monthly support here. So I'm going to set this trade now on Bybit. So 1,660, stop loss at 1,600, take profit at 2,291. So I'm going to open this trade. Order price 1,660, 1,660. I'm going to do order by cost. So I'm going to do a $1,000 trade, which with 20x leverage will be 12 Ethereum. $1,000 trade, 1,660. I'm going to set my take profit, what did I say? It was 2,291. 2,291. 2,291. So expected profit is $8,000 from that $1,000 trade, and stop loss is going to be 1,600. So it's risking $759 to make $7,982. That's too big of a loss on that trade. So I want to make sure, I want to set this trade to open with a tighter stop then. You never want to risk more than 2% of your trading capital per trade. And for the profit that I would get from that trade, it would be better to set the stop loss. So I'd open the trade here at 1,633 and the stop loss under the monthly. So I'm going to edit this trade. 1,633. Take profit will be 2291. 91, and stop loss will be 1,600. So I'm risking $424 to make $8,461. Confirm, open long. So that $1,000 trade is going to give me a 20,000 Ethereum trade. So I'm going to use $1,000. It's going to open at 1,633. I'm going to use $1,000 to open a 12.85 Ethereum trade, 20,500. Confirm. That trade is now set on Ethereum and ready to go, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to learn how to, if you want to set up the trades, if you want to use Bybit under the video, sign up to Bybit using that link to trade. And if you want to learn how to trade, take the crypto master course. More than 7,000 students. You learn how to trade, etc. And join the free Telegram. 7,000 of you in there. 7,500 of you in there. Now let's go into Tesla. I bought Tesla. I'm going to show you why I think Tesla's going to pump. We're going into Tesla. So this is Tesla. I bought some Tesla at 102. I bought a lot of Tesla at 102. Then I sold it all at 218. And then I rebought a lot of it at 164. So I actually caught it perfectly. I literally bought the bottom, sold the top, bought the bottom again. Now what we're seeing here is a big inverse head and shoulders, a big one. So you can see this same pattern is playing out here with V-shaped recovery. So we're going to get a bounce off here and then a big movement up. Next resistance 235. And then once it's through, so if I draw it, I'm going to draw this and let's see how it will come back, because I don't do Tesla so often anymore. I'm more doing cryptocurrency trades. I'm going to show you. I do buy a spot. I share it in the membership. You can click the join button down below. So if we do the reverse, not the reverse, it's two bounces. If we do the mirror of this, this is what's going to happen to Tesla over the long term, I think. Again, this is not financial advice. This is I've been trading TA from like 14 years. I've been doing it since 14 years old. So now I'm 35 years old. So 21 years of trading experience. That's what I think is going to happen. So I'm going to set an alert on Tesla at 311. But I'm buying for long term, but you could sell at 311. That would be the target, which is beautiful. Actually, it will bounce off here. So we've got to extend this trend line out as well. But I literally, if you've been following my trades, if you click the join button on YouTube, you've seen my trades on Tesla. I sold it all on November 11, 2021. I sold everything on November 11, 2021. If you followed my videos, literally the day of the top. And then I rebought Tesla massively, and Bitcoin, Tesla, Google, I bought it all down there. Then I sold it up here. A few weeks ago, if you watch my videos, about 4 weeks, I sold it up there, and then I rebought it down here. So I'm actually trading it beautifully. So that's the path that I think is going to happen to Tesla, which is beautiful. That's why I bought more as well. Amazing. And also don't forget, now we're going to do check out MagicCraft as well. This is the MagicCraft game. You can check it out. MagicCraft, $MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I'm the founder of this project. This is the play to earn game. This is some of the game. This is the website you're looking at. You can see the staking system, the lobby, the NFT marketplace. It's the first Web3 MOBA in the world. It's the first real play to earn game. You can already check it out. You can check out the roadmap. We launched in the lobby system, gameplay footage. You can see the game trailer, everything. It's amazing. The team is just amazing. We have so many developers. The team is just epic. This is the price of MCRT. It's down 3.2%. I'm going to buy some more MCRT. Rank 842. It's the first Web3 game in the world. $8.8 million market cap, volume 423. And now we're going to go into so I'm going to buy some more. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to make a video on, so I'm going to buy some more MCRT. I'm going to buy another $1,000 because I think it's undervalued for everything we're building. But again, you need to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. $1,000 gets me 273,000 MCRT, and that order is now filling, which is beautiful. I'll do the one. So next video, I'm going to find market cap coins that are under $10 million market cap besides MCRT that are going to do well. Again, none of this is financial advice, everyone. You have to do all your own due diligence. This is my thoughts on the market. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets. You have to do your own due diligence. I'm just showing you how I trade, what I buy, my thoughts on the markets, and I've made millions of dollars if you've been following my videos. Trading millions of dollars even this year, which is amazing. Some $1 million days, I'll show you, which was very nice. We had a few like crazy days the last few weeks. Where is it? This day I made $72,000 on that account. This day I made $6,700 on that account, $167,000 on that account. On that day, on Wednesday of last week, I made $1.14 million in one day. Buying the bottom is beautiful. One of my larger daily gains, $1.14 million. That day I made $288,000. Just many gains. There's countless. This day, 270,000. It's not just me as well. A lot of my students making gains. I watched it, and he watched his video, and I bought. I'm in profit name. James, you're the best, and you're simply a crypto legend. Thank you for sharing your wisdom and insights. A lot of gambling with high leverage think they can earn 100x per day. There's much more to learn to be a successful trader investor. It's true. The banking industry, crypto holders. If you've been following what's been happening with the banking news. This student made 244%. This student took 50% profits. This student made 166%. This student made $6,600, $6,400. This student made $2,100. It's all in the Crypto Guru Alerts group. The link is in the description. That's a lot of information, everyone. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.